The real power of using conditional formatting is when you start to combine different formatting options to really highlight information that's on your spreadsheet. In this case, I'm going to add another condition onto this particular section of cells. And I'm going to do that by selecting the cells, going back to my conditional formatting area, and I'm going to pick highlight cells that are between a certain range. I want to identify anything that's within the $10,000 to $20,000 range, and I want to highlight that by this formatting option here. So once I click OK, it identifies for me that I have one piece of information that meets that criteria. Notice that it's highlighted more in red than the green because of the rules that I have in place. So you can see you can have more than one formatting condition on a set of cells. How can you manage those conditions to make sure that you have the right ones being applied in the right order? By going to your conditional formatting menu and going down to the Manage Rules command, it then presents you with the rules that you have in play in that particular table. You can define new rules here if you are so inclined and like to work in the formatting options in Excel. You can edit existing rules by selecting the rule and clicking this Edit button, or you can delete a rule entirely. The rules will be applied in the order that they're shown, so right now I'm going to apply the rule to say that the cell value is between a certain range of numbers, and I want that one applied first. So I want anything that's within that particular range to be identified in red. If I wanted to move the rules around and have the data bar rule applied first, I simply select the rule I want to move and I reorder it in that option. If I want to move these back to my original state, I simply move up, and this will be the first set of rules that are included. In this particular rule, because I'm looking at a value in between a certain range, I can stop assessing the rules if this one becomes true. Let's see how that is applied. If I click Apply, then you'll notice that in my table, there's no more green bar in this particular cell. All it's doing is it's found that this criteria works, and it's stopped analyzing the rules from then on. Those are some different formatting options for you to work with in the conditional formatting area. Next, we're going to take a look at using templates, styles, and auto formats in your Excel 2007 application.